shaped like a pizza, looks like spaghetti, but actually it's ramen. It's Italian ramen. Here's how you can make it at home. Start by chopping a handful of fresh basil, a fundamental spice in Italian cuisine that harmonizes well with a variety of spices. Set your stove on medium heat. Add the fresh basil and some olive oil. Stir until the basil releases its aroma. It's time to add a cup of water. Let's wait a bit until the water starts to boil. This one is my favorite instant ramen, but other flavors like shrimp or egg work just as well, so just use whatever you like. Now the noodles are halfway done, so I'll add a cup of tomato juice and let it cook for 5 minutes more. Let's top the cooked noodles with some grated gouda and give the cheese some time to melt. Sprinkle pizza seasoning over the melted cheese and garnish with some fresh basil. Because I can never ever have enough cheese, I'll let this cute cheese kitty bath in my Italian ramen. And of course, let's not forget the noodle slices, because after all, it's ramen. Italian ramen. So because in the end it's a ramen dish, we'll use chopstick to eat it. Let's start with the cheesy part. It tastes like pizza. The noodles are still sticking together from the cheese. It looks so pretty when the cheese is pulling strings together with the noodles. Because of the tomato juice and the cheese, the noodles can stick together like this, can take out huge amounts of ramen. Tomato juice goes so well with a lot of different flavors of ramen. And of course cheese. Cheese goes with anything. So cheese is almost like a ramen margarita. Right now I'm gonna eat the Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty is so yummy. Ramen, which is actually a snack food and not so nutritional, gets more nutritional by adding tomato juice and cheese. Cheese is nutritional. We're almost at the end. Good luck and have fun making Italian ramen. Bye bye, bon appetit!